Good morning to all of you. Today in this video, we will discuss 100 multiple choice questions on Hamlet. Question number 1. Who is the first character to see the ghost in the play Hamlet? Options are A. Hamlet, B. Claudius, C. Marcellus, D. Bernardo. Right answer is D. Bernardo. Question number 2. What is the setting of Hamlet? Options are A. Elsinore Castle in Denmark, B. Inverness, Scotland, C. London in England, D. Verona in Italy. Right answer is A. Elsinore Castle in Denmark. Question number 3. Which character says something is rotten in the state of Denmark? Options A. Hamlet, B. Marcellus, C. Horatio, D. Polonius. Right answer is B. Marcellus. Question number 4. What is the main theme of Hamlet? A. Love and betrayal, B. Revenge and madness, C. War and peace, D. Power and corruption. Right answer is B. Revenge and madness. Question number 5. Which literary device is most prominent in Hamlet's to be or not to be speech? Option A. Hyperbole, B. Personification, C. Soliloquy, D. Alliteration. Right answer is C. Soliloquy. Question number 6. What does the ghost ask Hamlet to do? A. Kill Gertrude, B. Seek revenge on Claudius, C. Become king, D. Leave Denmark. Right answer is B. Seek revenge on Claudius. Seventh question. What is an example of objective correlative in Hamlet? A. The ghost's appearance, B. The play within the play, C. The fencing match, D. Hamlet's black attire. Right answer is B. The play within the play. Question number 8. Who says, Frailty, thy name is woman? A. Claudius, B. Lautus, C. Hamlet, D. Horatio. Right answer is C. Hamlet. Ninth question. Which character serves as a foil to Hamlet? A. Ophelia, B. Claudius, C. Fortinbras, D. Rosencrantz. Right answer is C. Fortinbras. What is Polonius' relationship to Ophelia? A. Brother, B. Uncle, C. Father, D. Cousin. Right answer is C. Father. 11th question. What does Hamlet call the play that he uses to explore the king? A. The Mousetrap, B. The King's Dilemma, C. The Play of Fate, D. The Death of a Monarch. Right answer is A. The Mousetrap. 12th question. How does Ophelia die? Option A. She is poisoned, B. She drowns, C. She is stabbed, D. She commits suicide with a dagger. Right answer is B. She drowns. 13th question. What is the role of Horatio in the play? A. Comic relief, B. Hamlet's moral compass and loyal friend, C. Political advisor, D. Spy for the king. Right answer is B. Hamlet's moral compass and loyal friend. 14th question. Which of these characters does not die in the final scene? A. Hamlet, B. Gertrude, C. Claudius, D. Horatio. Right answer is D. Horatio. 15th question. Who is the author of Hamlet? Christopher Marlowe, William Shakespeare, Ben Jonson, or Thomas Kidd? Right answer is William Shakespeare. 16th question. What is Claudius' relationship to Hamlet as the start of the play? A. Uncle and stepfather. B. Cousin. C. Tutor. D. Brother. Right answer is A. Uncle and stepfather. 17th question. Who says this above all? To thine own self be true. A. Hamlet. B. Claudius. C. Polonius. D. Gertrude. Right answer is C. Polonius to Laertes in Act 1, Scene 3. Next question. What does Hamlet pretend to be throughout much of the play? A. Soldier. B. King. C. Mad. D. Ghost. Right answer is C. Mad. 19th question. What is the name of Hamlet's castle? A. Inverness. B. Kronborg. C. Elsinore. D. Windsor. Right answer is C. Elsinore. 20th question. Who delivers the line to be or not to be? A. Claudius. B. Laertes. C. Hamlet. D. Horatio. Answer is C. Hamlet. Question number 21. What is the name of Hamlet's friend and confidant? A. Fortinbras. B. Marcellus. C. Horatio. D. Osric. Right answer is C. Horatio. 22nd question. Who accidentally drinks the poisoned wine? A. Claudius. B. Laertes. C. Hamlet. D. Gertrude. Right answer is D. Gertrude. 23rd question. Who survives at the end of the play? Right options are A. Hamlet. B. Claudius. C. Horatio. D. Laertes. Right answer is C. Horatio. Who is the Prince of Norway in the play? A. Cornelius. B. Rosencrantz. C. Fortinbras. D. Guildenstern. Right answer is C. Fortinbras. Question number 25. What role does the ghost play in the drama? A. Comic relief. B. Narrator. C. Investigator of revenge. D. King's advisor. Right answer is C. Investigator of revenge. 22nd question. Who are Rosencrantz and Guildenstern? Options are A. Soldiers. B. Hamlet's childhood friends. C. Sailors. D. Priests. Right answer is B. Hamlet's childhood friends. Question number 27. What does the ghost claim about his death? A. He died in battle. B. He was bitten by a snake. C. He was poisoned by Claudius. D. He was killed by Hamlet. Right answer is C. He was poisoned by Claudius. Next question. How does Claudius die? A. Poisoned by wine. B. Stabbed by Hamlet. C. Both A and B. D. Killed by Fortinbras. Right answer is C. Both A and B in Act 5, Scene 2nd. 29th question. What is the name of Polonius' son? A. Hamlet. B. Laertes. C. Osric. D. Voltmand. Voltmand. Right answer is B. Laertes. 30th question. What is a major theme of Hamlet? A. Adventure. B. Real time. C. Revenge. D. Romance. Right answer is C. Revenge. 31 question. What device does Shakespeare use in Hamlet's famous monologue? A. Dialogue. B. Soliloquy. C. Chorus. D. Aside. Right answer is B. Soliloquy. 32nd question. Who provide comic relief throughout the through wordplay? A. The Gravedigger. B. Claudius. C. Hamlet. D. Gertrude. Right answer is A. The Gravedigger. 33rd question. How does Ophelia go mad? A. Seeing the ghost. B. Hearing the Polonius death. C. Hamlet's rejection. D. Both B and C. Right answer is D. Both B and C. Hamlet's rejection and hearing of Polonius death. 34th question. Who says the lady doth protest too much, methinks? This statement is said by A. Gertrude, B. Ophelia, C. Claudius, D. Hamlet. Right answer is A. Gertrude in Act 3, Scene 2nd. Next question. What is the title of the play within the play? A. The Fall of a King. B. B. The Murder of Gonzago. C. The Mousetrap. D. The Poisoned Throne. Right answer is The Murder of Gonzago. 36th question. How does Hamlet react to the play within the play? A. He walks out. B. He laughs. C. He kills Polonius. D. He watches Claudius closely. Right answer is D. He watches Claudius closely. 37 question. What is Hamlet's relationship with Ophelia? Options are A. They are secretly married. B. They were lovers. C. She is his cousin. D. They are strangers. Right answer is B. They were lovers. 38th question. How does Hamlet feel about his mother's marriage to Claudius? A. He is indifferent. B. He is supportive. C. He is furious and disgusted. D. He is confused. Right answer is C. He is furious and disgusted. 39th question. Who tells Ophelia to stay away from Hamlet? A. Claudius. B. Gertrude. C. Lartus and Polonius. D. The ghost. Right answer is C. Lartus and Polonius. 40th question. What is the purpose of the ghost appearance to Hamlet? A. To bless him. B. To warn him. C. To ask for revenge. D. To tell him the future. Right answer is C. To ask for revenge. 41 question. What does Polonius think is the cause of Hamlet's madness? A. The ghost. B. Ophelia's rejection. C. Claudius' betrayal. D. His father's death. Right answer is B. Ophelia's rejection. Question number 42nd. What theme does Hamlet's to be or not to be soliloquy address? A. Romance. B. Vengeance. C. The nature of existence and suicide. D. Betrayal. Right answer is C. The nature of existence and suicide. 43rd. What does Hamlet call the play he arranges to expose Claudius? A. The Mousetrap. B. The King's Fall. C. The Poison Plot. D. Death of a Monarch. Right answer is A. The Mousetrap. 44 question. Who killed Polonius and how? A. Claudius with poison. B. Hamlet with a sword behind a curtain. C. Lartus in a duel. D. The ghost with fright. Right answer is B. Hamlet with a sword behind a curtain. 45th question. How does Claudius react to the play within the play? A. He laughs. B. He cries. C. He storms out angrily. D. He claps. Right answer is C. He storms out angrily. 46th question. Why does Hamlet trust Horatio? Options are A. He is noble and logical. B. He was the king's advisor. C. He helped Hamlet escape. D. He is related to him. Right answer is he is noble and logical. 47. What is Gertrude's reaction to Polonius' death? A. Horror and confusion. B. She is unaffected. C. She blames Claudius. D. She runs away. Right answer is A. Horror and confusion. 48th question. Why is Ophelia's death considered suspicious? A. She left a suicide note. B. She may have fallen accidentally. C. Her body was never found. D. She was poisoned. Right answer is B. She may have fallen accidentally. 49 question. How is Ophelia buried? A. With royal honors. B. Without ceremony as a suicide. C. Secretly at night. D. By Hamlet himself. Right answer is B. Without ceremony as a suicide. 50th question. What do the grave diggers symbolize? A. Justice. B. Love and loyalty. C. Death and common man. D. Revenge. Right answer is C. Death and the common man. 51. Who says the lady doth protest too much me thinks? A. Gertrude. B. Ophelia. C. Claudius. D. Hamlet. Right answer is A. Gertrude. 52nd. What is the title of the play within the play? A. The Fall of a King. B. The Murder of Gonzago. C. The Mousetrap. D. The Poisoned Throne. Right answer is B. The Murder of Gonzago. 53. How does Hamlet react to the play within the play? He walks out, he laughs, he kills Polonius, he watches Claudius closely. Right answer is D. He watches Claudius closely. 54. Who arranges for Hamlet to be sent to England? Polonius, Claudius, Gertrude or Lautus? Right answer is B. Claudius. 55. What is Claudius' plan for Hamlet in England? A. To crown him king. B. To educate him. C. To have him executed. D. To marry him to Ophelia. Right answer is C. To have him executed. 56. Who delivers Hamlet's letter to Horatio? A. Sailor. B. Osric. C. A priest. D. Rosencrantz. Right answer is A. A sailor. 57. Which literary device is used in the ghost speeches? A. Pun. B. Irony. C. Imagery. D. Simile. Right answer is C. Imagery. 58. What is the central conflict in Hamlet? A. Man versus nature. B. Man versus society. C. Man versus self. D. Man versus technology. Right answer is C. Man versus self. Next question 59. What prompts Hamlet to finally take action? A. Ophelia's madness. B. The graveyard scene. C. Lautus' challenge. D. His conversation with Horatio. Right answer is C. Lautus' challenge. 60th question. Who jumps into Ophelia's grave during her funeral? A. Claudius. B. Lautus. C. Hamlet. D. Both B and C. Right answer is both B and C. Lautus and Hamlet. 61. Which genre does Hamlet belong to? A. Comedy. B. Romance. C. Tragedy. D. History. Right answer is C. Tragedy. 62nd. Which emotion dominates Hamlet throughout the play? A. Jealousy. B. Joy. C. Indecision. D. Courage. Right answer is indecision. 63rd. What does Yorick's skull symbolize? A. Power. B. Madness. C. Mortality. D. Fate. Right answer is C. Mortality. 64. Who says, Alas, poor Yorick, I knew him? Horatio. A. Claudius. B. Hamlet. C. Lautus. D. Polonius. Right answer is B. Hamlet. 65. How does Lautus die? A. By poisoned sword. B. By poisoned wine. C. By dagger. D. By shoot. Right answer is A. Poisoned sword. 66. Which advice does Polonius give Lautus? A. Seek revenge. B. Stay silent. C. Be true to yourself. D. Marry Ophelia. Right answer is C. Be true to yourself. 67. What is Hamlet's tragic flaw? A. Cowardice. B. Excessive pride. C. Indecisiveness. D. Blind ambition. Right answer is C. Indecisiveness. 68. What object does Claudius use to poison Hamlet's drink? A. Vial. B. A ring. C. A pearl. D. A goblet. Right answer is C. A pearl. 69. Who says, "Give me some light away"? A. Polonius. B. Claudius. C. Hamlet. D. Laertes. Right answer is B. Claudius. 70th question. Why does Hamlet hesitate to kill Claudius while he is praying? A. He fears being caught. B. He wants to hear him confess. C. He believes Claudius' soul will go to heaven. D. He feels pity. Right answer is C. He believes Claudius' soul will go to heaven. 71. Who is the most rational character in the play? A. Hamlet. B. Horatio. C. Claudius. D. Polonius. Right answer is B. Horatio. How many soliloquies does Hamlet deliver? 3, 5, 7 or 9? Right answer is C. 7. 73rd question. Who arranges the fencing match between Hamlet and Laertes? A. Osric. B. Claudius. C. Horatio. D. Gertrude. Right answer is B. Claudius. Who kills Polonius? A. Hamlet. B. Laertes. C. Claudius. D. The ghost. Right answer is A. Hamlet. Next question. How does Gertrude die? A. By poisoned sword, suicide, drinking poisoned wine, or illness. Right answer is C. By drinking poisoned wine. 76th question. Who is the last character to speak in the play? A. Hamlet. B. Horatio. C. Claudius. D. Fortinbras. Right answer is D. Fortinbras. 77. What does Hamlet ask Horatio to do at the end? A. To kill Claudius. B. Commit suicide. C. Tell his story. D. Bury him at sea. Right answer is C. Tell his story. 78. What was the name of Hamlet's father? Fortinbras, Claudius, Hamlet, or Yorick? Right answer is C. Hamlet. Next question. Who delivers Hamlet's letter to Horatio? A. Sailor. B. Osric. C. Priest. D. Rosencrantz. Right answer is A. Sailor. Next question. What literary device is used in the ghost's speeches? A. Pun. B. Irony. C. Imagery. D. Simile. Right answer is C. Imagery. 81. What is the central conflict in Hamlet? Man versus nature, man versus society, man versus self, man versus technology. Right answer is man versus self. 82nd. What prompt Hamlet to finally take action? A. Ophelia's madness. B. The graveyard scene. C. Laertes' challenge. D. His conversation with Horatio. Right answer is C. Laertes' challenge. 83rd. What does Yorick's skull symbolize? A. Power. B. Madness. C. Mortality. D. Fate. Right answer is C. Mortality. Next question. Who says, "Elos, poor Yorick, I knew him"? Horatio. A. Claudius. B. Hamlet. C. Laertes. D. Polonius. Right answer is B. Hamlet. 85. How does Laertes die? A. By poisoned sword. This question is repeated. Next question. 86. Who says, "Though this be madness, yet there is method in it"? A. Polonius. B. Hamlet. C. Claudius. D. Horatio. Right answer is Polonius. 87. Who says, "Now cracks a noble heart, good night, sweet prince"? A. Laertes. B. Claudius. C. Horatio. D. Gertrude. Right answer is C. Horatio. 88. Now these are simple one word answer questions. Who is a foil to Hamlet? Right answer is Fortinbras. Next, how is Claudius related to previous king? Answer is brother. Next, Hamlet compares the word to a dash. Right answer is unweeded garden. Next, Ophelia is a symbol of dash. Right answer is innocence. Next, what does Hamlet call Polonius? Right answer is a fishmonger. Next, which country threatens Denmark? Right answer is Norway. What are Hamlet's last words? Answer is the rest is silence. Next is the play begins at. Answer is midnight. Next one is Hamlet's madness is. Answer is partiality, partially real, partially feigned. Next, who delivers news of Rosencrantz and Guildenstern's death? Answer Hamlet. Next is Hamlet returns to Denmark from dash. Answer England. Polonius' death is dash. Accidental. The fencing match is meant to be dash. Fatal. Hamlet refers to death as dash. The undiscovered country. Get thee to a nunnery is addressed to dash. Answer is Ophelia. Larter's character is driven by dash. Revenge. Next is Shakespeare uses dramatic irony when dash. Answer is audience knows about Claudius' guilt. Next is Hamlet speaks most in dash. Answer is verse. Hamlet was likely written in. Answer is 1601. William Shakespeare was born in A 1558, B 1564, C 1576, D 1580. Right answer is B 1564. Next is Shakespeare was born in A London, B Oxford, C Stratford upon Avon, D Canterbury. Right answer is C Stratford upon Avon. Shakespeare died in the year A 1608, 1611, 1616, 1623. Right answer is C 1616. Shakespeare's literary career flourished during the reign of dash. A. Queen Mary, B. Queen Elizabeth I, C. King James I, D. Both B and C. Right answer is D. D is both B and C, Queen Elizabeth I and King James I. Next is number of plays attributed to Shakespeare is approximately 25, 37, 50 or 40. Right answer is B 37. The theatre closely associated with Shakespeare: A. The Rose, B. The Swan, C. The Globe, D. The Curtain. Right answer is C. The Globe. Next, Shakespeare was a member of which acting company? A. Lord Admiral's men, B. The King's men, C. The Lord Chamberlain's men. Right answer is this option is missing here. Its answer is D. Next is setting of the play. The play is set in Denmark, primarily in Elsinore Castle. The time period is around late Middle Ages, 14th and 15th century. The political atmosphere is tense, with themes of revenge, betrayal, and moral corruption dominating the setting. Main characters we have already discussed: Prince Hamlet, King Claudius, Queen Gertrude, Ghost of the King Hamlet, Polonius, Ophelia, Laertes, Horatio, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, Fortinbras, Marcellus, Bernardo, and Francisco. These were the castle guards who first see the ghost. Osric, a foolish courtier who announces the duel between Hamlet and Laertes. One original quotation from the play: sleeping within my orchard, my custom always of the afternoon, upon my secure are the uncle stole, with juice of cursed Hebnon in a vial, and in the porches of my ears did pour the leprous distilment. And its Hindi translation is, ये घटना घोस्ट ऑफ किंग हैमलेट खुद प्रिंस हैमलेट को बताती हैं। किंग हैमलेट रोज की तरह आराम करने के लिए बगीचे में सोने गए, तभी क्लॉडियस चुपके से वहां आया और हेबनॉन नाम का जहर एक शीशी में लेकर आया। उसने वो जहर राजा के कान में डाल दिया। जहर बहुत तेज था जो खून में फैल गया और राजा की मौत हो गई। These were some of the important notes and questions on the topic Hamlet. I hope this would be useful in your screening test exam. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.